What's up, everyone? I hope you're doing well, and we are back with more football today, guys. We have 2020 Panini Prizm Draft Picks Football Hobby Hybrid box, and this one guarantees one autograph, 4 draft parallels, 24 base parallels per box. So we'll see what we're gonna get in this one. Hope for the best, as they say. There it is. Zook. This is gonna be interesting. All right, there you go. So I forgot to mention you have 12 packs and 5 cards per pack. So every pack must be pretty cool. So we'll see. We're gonna shuffle this because we don't know where it's gonna be the autograph. And in that way, it's gonna be more fun. There it goes. All right, so let's start ripping these. Okay. Oh, as usual, nice Prism cards. It's good to be back with some Prism. Mark Ingram. David Montgomery. There it is. We have something here. Leonard Fournier. That's a Prism. And we have Jeff Okuda. Rookie draft pick. It's not numbered. Pretty cool card. And last one is Kashan Wan. Rookie as well. All right, let's go with the next one. Hope for the better pack. We do have Aaron Rodgers here. Terry Bradshaw. It's a cool looking card. All right, and the Prism goes to Brett Favre. Rookie Chase Young. There you go. That's a nice one. That is definitely a nice one. And then we have Javon Kinlaw. All right, go with it. Next one. Nick Chubb. The first one. And there it is. There's an auto. Oh no. Of Tristan Jackson. Dang it. Nothing special. Oh man. Hopefully we can get some good prisms in other packs. Oh, this is gonna be not great at all. All right, let's see. Josh Jacobs, Prism. Zach Moss. And this is orange. This is could be numbered. And it's not. All right. Zach Moss is okay. Let's see if we can get any quarterback. Tua. Yes, we can. Yes, sir. There is a Tua. But just only the base one. All right, let's keep going. Barry Sanders. Oh, there's a flipped one of Justin Herbert and Jake Breland. 11 out of 20. And that is a duo autograph. Oh my god. I thought there's only one autograph. What is this? Well, this one is actually amazing. I did not expect this at all. College ties. Jake Breland and Justin Herbert. Oh my gosh. Out of 20, and this is number 11? Dang, this is nice. Wow. All right then. Now we are happy. We're cool. Matthew Stafford is next. And we have Isaiah Simmons, rookie. This one is a prism. Pretty nice, pretty nice. All right, and then we have CJ Henderson, base card. All right. Okay, let's keep going. I don't know then. Can we get more autographs? Why not? Maybe I missed something. I don't know. Nicole Hardman Jr., Tony Pollard, and what do we have here? Deshaun Watson, Prism, and Colby Parkinson, rookie card. And this one could be better player. I'm not even gonna sleeve him right now. Jared Pinkley, rookie. All right, let's keep going. Huh. There it is. Jacob Brissett. Joey Bosa. And what do we have here? And we do have Tom Brady. Is this? Nah, it's not numbered. It's just a nice looking card. Put him right here. Now we have Tyler Johnson. All right. Prism, but whatever. Cam Akers, rookie card. All right, let's keep going. Oh, another Tom Brady. Crusade. Terry McLaurin, Crusade. Oh, what is this? Ezekiel Elliott, Crusade. It's not numbered. It's just pretty cool looking Crusade card. All right, and the next one is Bryce Hall and J.K. Dobbins. All right, let's keep going. All right, what we have here, Jared Stidham, Philip Rivers, and McCall Hardman Jr. Jalen Hurts. There you go. That's a nice one. That's a green parallel. We'll take that. Of Jalen Hurts. And the last one, Jalen Hurts again. Wow, we got two of them. This one's base, but still Jalen Hurts. Let's go. All right, we have 4 more packs left, guys. Let's see what we can find in here still. Pretty good box. Aaron Jones, McLaurin, and Travis Kelce. Jonathan Taylor. There you go. And it's a prism. Very nice. And last one is Terrell Lewis. Okay. Jonathan Taylor prism is nice. Really, really good one to have. All right, 3 more packs. Come on. Okay, what we do have here? Nick Bosa, Chris Godwin, and McCaffrey, and our rooks, Lavishka. That's a prism as well. Nice. And Justin Herbert. What a cool pack right here. Justin Herbert. Nice. All right, we have two more. Two more. DK Metcalf, Keenan Allen, and Crusade Aaron Rodgers. This number. No. That's cool. Trevon Diggs and Jalen Rigor. That's a nice cards. All right. And we go with a last pack. What else we're missing? Joe Burrow? Can we get him? Can we get Joe Burrow in this one? All right, let's see. Debo Samuel. Baker Mayfield. Aaron Rodgers again. Pretty hot box of Aaron Rodgers. And this one's Prism. And let's look at our rooks. And we got Jake Fromm, Prism, and Anthony Gordon. No Joe Burrow, but I'm not even sad. We got Justin Herbert. Insane pull. Right here, guys. This one. This is just a killer card. Justin Herbert, Jake Breland, duo autograph out of 20. Super rare, super cool. Yep. So there it is, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, smash that like button and subscribe if you haven't yet. And we will see you in the next one soon. Peace.